Circle definitions is what we're looking at in this video. We're going to cover all of these cases. So that includes the radius, diameter, circumference, chord, tangent, minor segment, the major sector, and the minor sector. So during my video circle, I'm going to do the example on the left, which is I do. You are then going to press pause and have a go at the example on the right, which is you do. So a radius is just a line from the center of a circle to the circumference, which is the outside. Okay. The radius could also be like this. You could have it in any direction. It could also be down. It could also be like this. Okay. So a line from the center to the circumference. Now, hopefully you've pressed pause and had some sort of try on the question on the right. If you don't know how to do it, that's fine. I'll show you. So essentially the diameter is a line from one end of the circle to the other end that passes through the center. Now it must pass through the center. Okay, the line can also be like this. It can be in any direction you like, as long as it goes from one end to the other end and passes through the center. That is key. Okay, now moving on, it says highlight the circumference. So in terms of highlighting the circumference, so the circumference is the area outside the circle. So that is this bit here. Okay, so just move that down a bit. There we go. Perfect. So that is the circumference. Okay, that line around the circle. So the next question is to draw a chord. Now, a chord is just a line that goes from one end of a circle to the other end. Now, if the chord passes through the center, it's called a diameter. Okay, so that's what a chord is. You could have also drawn a chord like this. You could have also drawn a chord like this. You can draw it however you want, as long as it does not pass through the center. Because if it passes through a center, it then becomes a diameter. Okay, so just pick 2 points on the circumference, connect them together, and that's your chord. Moving on, so it says draw a tangent. Now, tangent is just a straight line that touches the circle. So I've drawn that one there. It could have also been drawn up here like this. It just touches the circumference like this as well. The question on the right is the exact same. So hopefully you can practice just drawing it out on a piece of paper. Now it says shade the minor segment. So first we need to draw it. So to draw a segment, you could just draw that. So you draw a chord and then you shade in the minor segment. So the minor is the small part. And on the right, it says draw and shade the major segment. So again, you draw a chord. You can draw a chord however you like. Just connect 2 points on a circle together. And now it says the major segment. The major is the big bit. Okay, so step 1, draw a chord. Step 2, shade it. Now moving on, it's saying draw and shade a minor sector. So what is a sector? A sector is the region. So we have to draw 2 radiuses. And the minor sector is the region inside the 2 radiuses, like that. Now, again, on the right, we are going to draw 2 radiuses to get a sector. So this is what a sector is. Now it says the major sector. So the major sector is the big part. So we're just going to shade everything, the bigger side of it. So that is your sector there. Now it says name the following lines and regions. So again, I would recommend you press pause and have a go at this. Just write A and what your answer to A is and B and so on and so forth. So I'll go through this now. So hopefully you've pressed pause and had a go. So this is your radius. This is a diameter. This is a circumference. This is a chord. This is also a chord. This is a minor sector. This is a tangent. This is a minor segment. This is a major segment. And this is a major sector. Now, if you would like some more practice on this, I've got a full worksheet linked down in the comments below. And if you found this video useful, I've got loads of other content like this on my channel. Do check